So as you see, I've chosen to be on the chair. It's one of the easy ways we can connect to the breath and to Qigong as well. We don't always have to be standing. So the movements and the breath inspiration that I'm sharing with you today comes from Qigong practice. And Qigong literally means the skill to navigate your life force. Qi is the life force, and Gong is your skill to navigate it. Welcome. So one of the strong things around working with the power of the mind and the power of emotions is through the breathing, because we can actively, with each in-breath, we can take on new energy when we're tired or feeling a bit low. And with every out-breath, we can let go of anything that holds us back or weighs us down or feels heavy on the heart. So for me, I am used to living with chronic pain. It's really helpful. If I can't really move, I remember I can still breathe. So that's my invitation for us all today. Let's start with the hands over the tummy. So we're folding the head, the webbing of the thumbs, and then resting the hands around the navel. Yeah, you can sit up straight, or you can lean back in the couch or the chair, whatever you want. And just focusing on the breath without changing anything just yet. Just feeling the hands as an anchor. Noticing the breath coming in and out like the tides of the ocean. You might notice if the breath is high or low in your chest. If it's deep or a little shallower. And also if it's even or a bit jaggedy. And those are just some qualities of the breath to pay attention to. Every out breath, you're relaxing into your spine. Every in breath, you feel your hands move forward a little, deepening the breath to the lower abdomen. Just arriving in how you are today. And let's take one hand on the chest, the other stays on the belly. And you focus on breathing in the belly, widening the ribs, and then lifting the chest under your hand. Full wave breathing, and then you breathe out, chest, ribs, belly. Breathe in, belly, ribs, and chest. Breathe out, chest, ribs, and belly. Just do that a few times in your own breathing length. Like the tide rolling onto the beach and back into the ocean. If at any time during our practice you feel a little dizzy, just breathe a little less deep. That's the immediate answer. Yeah, one more deep breath. And And lower the hands in your lap. Then we're going to lift the hands past the chest, rising them, and then turning the palms to the ceiling. That is one in-breath, and then we lower them same way down on the out-breath. So the hands come past the face, the chest, and again, they may rest in the lap. Breathing in. Same breathing mechanism of belly, ribs, and chest, turning the palms. And out. Hands lower. Chest, ribs, and belly. Again, explore this in your own length. And see if your original in-breath is like 3 or 5 counts. And try to make the out-breath the same length, whatever that is for you. And then if you can, you're holding your breath a few counts here on the top of your in-breath. Say 2 counts. You hold your breath. And then you breathe out. Again, 3 or 5 counts, whatever was your rhythm. And here, you remain empty also for 2 or 3 counts. No breath. Then you feel the breath arriving again. Breathe in. And pause. And breathe out. And pause at the bottom of your exhale. Just getting used to this. It's called 4-phase breathing. In breath and pause, out breath and pause. 4 parts to a breathing cycle. And in Chinese medicine, it's believed that the more you can lengthen the pauses, the more longevity you add to your life. That's a beautiful invitation of playing with the pause rather than the activity. And this 4-phase breathing is also something you can do during other activities, when you're walking or when you're watching TV even. You can still play with lengthening the breath. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, good. Now, the other movement I'd like to share is spinal cord breathing. Turn my chair a little bit. And the idea is that you're opening the chest, you're lifting the chest upward with your hands sort of at face height outward, and then you're squeezing the elbows together. You can even make a fist if you like, and you gently curve the back. And breathing in, lift the chest. And breathing out, it's like you're squeezing old energy out of the lungs with the physical movements of the hands. Breathing in. Again, in your own rhythm, might be quicker, might be slower. And they say that when you breathe consciously and you move your spine at the same time, that is really good to reset the nervous system, especially to come out of fight or flight and back into the parasympathetic state of relaxation. Breathing and the spine. Just enjoying the luxury of breathing. Last time. And gently come back to the center. Yeah, good. I know it's 1/4 past already, but I'd like to share one more movement, if that's okay with you. And that is for the significance of the thumb. The thumb is the end of the lung meridian. So in the next movement, we're touching the thumb and the first finger together. And what we're doing is called soaring crane. So we breathe out, we widen the hands, palms away from you, and then you turn the palms over and you touch thumb and first finger and you breathe out to the chest. Breathe in. Lift and rise. Turn the palms over. Touch the thumb and first finger. Breathe out. Yes, again, do in your own rhythm. Engaging the spine. Maybe you can even feel a little warmth in your fingertips, activating the lung meridian for good lung health, a strong immune system. Feel that connection between thumb and first finger. Yeah, one more time. And then bring your hands in your laps. Let's have that mudra, the finger posture. And just feeling the effect of a lot more oxygen in your system. A little bit of spinal movement. Arriving in the physical structure of your body. Having activated your energy. Focused your mind with good breathing. Some imagery of the soaring crane. And take that with you into the rest of your day. Thank you very much.